Good morning, my sir, teachers, ma'am, and my research colleague. Myself, Sheikh Sabina Akhil, microbiology from microbiology. My research topic is process optimization for fungal lacase production. The problem of my research topic is white-root fungi are the most significant lignin degraders among the wood-inhibiting microorganisms. They degrade lignin by secreting extracellular redox enzymes, that is lacase, which play a key role in lignin biodegradation. Fungal lacase are multi-copper oxidase with high catalytic versatility and low catalytic requirements. Their high redox potential, especially of certain basidiomycetes, etc. Lacase significantly increases their oxidation capacity compared to bacterial lacases. These characteristics together provide these enzymes with a great potential for applications as biocatalyst in a range of synthetic or degrading reactions. Lacase have been widely studied in degradation of xenobiotics, decolorization of dyes, depolymerization of lignin, pigment degradation, pulp and paper bleaching, biosensors and biofuel cells based on lacase have been developed by utilizing its oxidative property and broad range of substrate specificity. Lacase have also been used to prevent undesired changes in food and beverages products. Lacase benzenediol oxygen oxidoreductase, whose enzyme commission number is 1.10.3.2, is an oxidoreductase able to catalyze the oxidation of various aromatic compounds, particularly phenol, with the concomitant reduction of oxygen to water. My idea about the research topic is the lacase are extracellular enzymes secreted into the medium by filamentous fungi. Lacase are generally produced during the secondary metabolism of different fungi. Several factors including types of cultivations, that is submerged or solid state, carbon limitation, nitrogen source and concentration of microelements can influence lacase productions. So the idea is to reduce the hazardous environmental pollutions with the natural fungal enzymes like lacase. The working principle of my research is isolation and screening of fungus from sawmill soil, production of fungal lacase by using different fermentation processes like solid state or submerged state, and using different agricultural waste like wheat bran, rice bran, soya bran. Like these waste are easily available and at a very low cost, so I have used these agricultural waste for the fermentation processes. Determination of fungal lacase activity and effect of different parameters. Purify of lacase using standard enzyme purification method like dialysis, precipitation and various chromatographic techniques. Characterize purified lacase, that is studying the effect of different parameters such as optimum time, pH, metal ions and temperature on purified lacase. Identification of isolated fungus by using 18S rRNA sequencing. Study different applications of fungal in dye degradation. So I have to use different types of dyes like methylene blue, methyl red, Congo red, crystal violet, methyl orange, like that bromophenol blue, like that dyes I have to use to degrade by using my isolated fungus which produce the lacase enzyme. So the targeted outcome is the use of enzyme in industrial processes can often eliminate the use of high temperatures, organic solvents and extremes of pH, while at the same time offering increased reaction specificity, product purity and reduced environmental impact. The growing use of industrial enzymes is dependent on constant innovations to improve performance and reduce cost. The innovation is driven by a rapidly increasing database of natural enzymes diversity, recombinant DNA and fermentation technologies that allow this diversity to be produced at low cost, and protein modification tools that enables enzymes to be tuned to fit into the industrial marketplace. The degradation of a variety of persistent environmental pollutants in a particular phenols was also observed. So I have to use I will try to reduce the environmental pollutions which are come out from the different sources like industrial waste or different hazardous effects which are causing to the human beings, which are directly affect the health on human beings, so that I have to try to reduce these environmental pollutions. Thank you so much.